Hey, what's going on, folks? Mr. Silva here with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Dragon Ball Z decal, which is pretty popular and sells really good. For the ones don't know me yet, I make videos about making money selling vinyl decals. I upload videos every week, so if you haven't subscribed, you can do it now. And let's get to work. Okay, so let me show you where you can sell and how much you can make selling this Goku Dragon Ball Z decal. You can sell it on ebay.com. Look at this listing. It only has one image, and the image resolution looks really bad. In despite of the image resolution, this decal is selling really good. Look at the price. It's $10.50, which is really good. And this seller has sold 214 units so far. Creating a listing with better images and more colors, I'm pretty sure you can beat easily this seller. If you have any question, leave it in the comment below. and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.